Welcome to our Microsoft Excel trainings. Let's continue to use conditional formatting, conditional formatics in our tables in Microsoft Excel. If our sales values in the table we have are above a certain value, we can use symbols here. Look, let's do it this way. For example, if our sales are over 50,000, let it be a green arrow. If it is between 30,000 and 50,000, for example 47,000, let it be a yellow arrow. If it is below 30,000, let it be a red arrow. Here, we will use conditional formatting icon sets. From here we click on the first cell. We select the cells with Control-Shift-Down arrow and select Conditional Formatting. From here, Icon Set. When you select Friends sets directly from here, the icons appear automatically. The system itself automatically separates them according to a certain percentage, but what we want is to give our own conditions. From here, we bring it to the new formatting rule. Conditional Formatting Rules window by clicking Move Rule, that is, Other Rules. Here we can select Icon Set. If you want to choose a different icon from the icons here, you can choose them as an icon set, or if you wish, you can specify the icons one by one as a custom icon. In the value and type values on the side, let's select number instead of percent. From here I select number again. Our value is the value we want to be large. So if it is greater than 50,000, let it be a green arrow. If it is less than 50,000 and greater than 30,000, let it be a yellow arrow, and if it is less than 30,000, let it be a red arrow. So when you click on the top, you will see the rule at the bottom. When you select it from here and click OK, you will see the rules come here. It is a very nice feature, Icon Set feature. Here we can show all our conditions with symbols, especially in quota calculations, sales turnover calculations, such as exceeding the turnover or not exceeding the quota. If we want to remove these rules and install a different icon, let's clear the rules from the entire page from Combination Format and Clear Rules again. Let's select our icons again and call Move Rule from Conditional Formatting Icon Set again. Other rules, it may be from icon sets here. Let's change the icon sets here. If the conditions you want to give are 3 conditions, you can give 3 colors. Or if there are 4 conditions, you can give 4 colors. Or if there are 5 conditions, you can give 5 colors. So for example, let's give 4 conditions and let it be like this. We will change our values. Let's change our type values to numbers again. And for example, if it is greater than 50,000, let it be a green arrow upwards. If it is greater than 30,000 and less than 50,000, let it be an arrow to the side. Greater than 20,000. If it is less than 30,000, it should be downwards, meaning it is declining. Let's give our rules like this. Even if it is less than 20,000, it is completely below. If we want, we can show only the values here, friends. When you select Show Icon Only, the numbers will not appear. Only the icons here are visible. Let's select this. I remove Show Icon Only. And when you say OK, you will see that the rules come in accordance with the condition you gave. These are mostly used in numbers. In other words, textual expressions and date expressions are not used much in text, but icon sets are used especially in figures. We can use icon sets in conditional formatting in this way. Let's remove our rules from Krill Rust again by clearing our rules from the entire page. Another point of difference is color scale. This is the color scales. Look from here, let's do it like this again. I chose this place. And from here I come back to color scale from Combination Formatting. Here, friends distribute them automatically according to their colors. Look at the lowest value here according to the color range you have selected. Colors such as red and yellow automatically go from the lowest value to the highest value, layer by layer. If you want these, we have the chance to change the rules and make new rules. If you want to see the values you have selected, that is, the values between the lowest and the highest value, from largest to smallest, you can use the values here if you want to see them according to color scales. Combination formatting is a very nice feature and is used very frequently. We use condition formatting and combination formats extensively, especially in report screens, summary table screens, and dashboard reporting screens that you create.